The Holy Grail.
Healer, Millefussy! Healer, Millefussy!
What exactly is an extremist? How is that different from someone who disagrees with the people in charge? Those people are domestic terrorists, we're told. They must be put down by force. The war on terror has moved stateside. Extremists have breached our walls. They are inside our country. And in response, we must hunt them down. None of these newly energized and highly empowered extremist hunters have told us exactly what an extremist is. So we're left to guess. We're left to look around nervously to see if we can spot one, hoping against hope the whole time they're not talking about us, are they? So what is an extremist? A lot of people assume that an extremist must be someone who voted for Donald Trump or who reads forbidden websites. No. It turns out an extremist is anyone
Always can see you. Spoonock can see you. Pollock can see you. Here's Josh can see you. Jesus can see you. Here's Kevin can see you. Him know nothing else. Just selling on you.
It's a commonly held misconception that the Earth is a spherical object that revolves around the Sun. But the fact is, of course, that the Earth is a circular dish surrounded by a barrier of ice. The Earth is a circular dish surrounded by a barrier of ice